later. Whoa. All right, cool. Here's the first step for line and dots, folks. You ask yourself a question. And that question is, can I divide the first number of the dividend by the divisor? Well, can you do 7 divided by 2? Give me a thumbs up if you can do 7 divided by 2, if that's a problem that works. Can you make groups of 2 out of 7? Yeah, no problem, right? So here's where the lines come in. You are going to make a line for every whole group, okay? So watch this. I'm going to make a line for every whole group underneath the 7. I'm just going to use the 7. So I go 2, 4, 6. If I make another line, that's 8, correct? So that doesn't work. So the first step, you make a line for every whole group. So I did 2, 4, 6. And then you make a dot for every number up to that number. So I've done 2, 4, 6, 7. All right, I've made some lines and I've made some dots. I've got one line for 2, 4, 6, 7. Here's the next thing I'm gonna do. So make sure you're doing this with me here.
I have a question.
Uh-huh.
Is the dot like the remainder?
So that's a great question. I'm gonna show you here in just a second. But good question, I like that you're thinking about this. Now, the dot gets moved to the next number like this. I'm gonna take my dot, I'm gonna move it over there. There's only one dot, correct? So I just put a 1 over here for my 1 dot. I move down my 2. And now, I'm gonna make lines again, right? Now I'm going to see how many times 2 goes into 12. I'm gonna make some lines. So, let's see. I'm pretty good at counting by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And what's kind of cool is we've now answered this division question. Does anybody see where the answer is in the question? We haven't written down the answer really yet, but we've got it. Our answer is there. Sawyer, where do you see the answer?
I think it's in the lines. You count how many lines are on each side.
Yes. There are 1, 2, 3 lines under the 7, so we put a 3 up there. There's 6 lines underneath the 2, so we put a 6 up there. Our answer is 36. We just did that problem by counting lines. That's pretty cool.
That was
Isn't that neat? I find that fascinating.